Hello everyone. This is the analysis for gold for 9th of June 2025. Sorry for being delayed. No, normally I post before the market opens. Just been busy, right? Let's start with Forex Factory, and it's Monday, the 10th of June 2025, and you can see there's a bank holiday in there's a few European countries, and we don't have any news related to USD. So now straight jump onto the gold chart. And you can see the monthly, there's not much information. It's the start of month, going second week of the month now. And weekly, what we can see, the previous week is a rejection, although the week before market did come here as expected, 3,300, and even it broke that level, and 32.43 came into end the week, and the last week came to 3,300. So I'm going to daily. What we can see that we have been discussing this level, daily level has been tested, and liquidity sweep and everything, we discussed that. And there was a liquidity sweep here as well on this level, as you can see. And now this level has been tested currently. This this daily level has been tested, and we can expect a buy from here. Why? There are multiple reasons for that. This is a strong area, and it is a structural level as well. So if market holds this, we definitely expect to buy from here. And then going on to 4 hour, this fair value gap has been filled. Enough, yeah, fair value. Well, it was a gap, and it's classed as fair value gap. So this is a 4 hour strong candle. So we definitely can expect the market to come to up to here and further down to this level. And that's the 4 hour situation. Let's go back to daily, see what's happening here. I was expecting the buy from here anyway, so probably previously mentioned as well. So now what I'm expecting, this market should fill up to here, or first up to here and then probably up to here. But that will be done in steps, hopefully. But now market is coming down after testing this order block, or if you call it a supply area, but our order block here. And now we can expect another buy from here. If this level doesn't hold, then we can expect further movement to this side to test this level here. If this level doesn't hold, this level. Another option is double bottom and then to the. So this is another this level, and if they're not held, then possibility of coming to the downside. But now order block has been tested. Now probably around this area and then here. If we see evidence, we can see another buy from here. So I hope this is helpful. I'm just managing my trade as well while I'm doing this analysis. So currently, this is the situation in gold, and I have live chart online on my YouTube channel, and you can see the different levels that may be helpful. I hope this is helpful, guys, and you have a good day, good night. Thank you very much. Bye bye.